and today we are going to take out the 46 Ford. We are going to take it out and we are going to go eat some burgers. I want to take this car out and go with my newest and best buddy, Alejandro Cano. And we want to go to the old Bob's Burger and go eat some burgers. Here we are over here. I'll give you a little engine shot right here. I got to open the hood over here. Alright, I got it open. And here we are here. It's a 302 Ford. It's a high duration, high lift. It's got a pretty raspy cam in it. Makes pretty good power. But it took a little while to do it. It's got air conditioning. I got two kinds of fans. I got an electric fan underneath the shroud. You can't see it, but it's over there. Then over here where it's blowing in front, there's the air conditioner. So here we go, come around to the other side. So there you have it. It's got some good headers on it. Over here, got a big Holley carburetor on it. So shut the hood, turn the hood down. 1946 Ford, it's all beefed. Got a Ford 9-inch rear end in it. It's got a C6 tranny. And like I said, 302. So here we are. I'll try to see if I can get some better engine revs. And I come on the inside. That's Tweety Bird over there. So far I just got a passenger, Tweety Bird. He's laying sideways, Sylvester. The best buddy. So I come over here. So here I am on the inside. Anyways, I'd like to go eat some burgers with my best buddy, Alejandro Cano. Hey dude, you ready? Let's go.